In today's video, I'll teach you how to save a website in Google Chrome. So if you want to save a website in Google Chrome, there are two ways to do that. First of all, what you have to do is simply visit that website. So first of all, what you can do is simply save the website as the page. In order to do that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, cast, save and share. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the section for save. You'll be able to find this option, save page as. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to save the page. You can simply rename the file if you want. Make sure web page is selected right over here. Now click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the download process has been started. Now this website will be saved on your device. There's also another way to do that. For that, what you have to do is look into the address bar. Right over here, you'll be able to find the star icon. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the bookmark. You can also edit the name and choose a folder if you want. After you're done, click on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now this website has been saved. So that is how you save website on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.